Hey, what's going on? So today I'm going to do a product review on the JT Brooks auto tire deflators. These things are pretty cool. They cost about 75 bucks. Got them off Amazon and they work great. So the first thing I want to talk about is, are they necessary? I would say no, they're not. They're not necessary to have because you can just deflate your tires automatic, or you can just deflate your tires manually using like a little tire gauge or something like that, but that takes forever. You're going to be that guy holding up your group because you're sitting there deflating all of your tires one by one. This is awesome because it comes with 4 auto deflators, and you just hook them up to your tires and you pull the little piece out and it deflates them. And then you just walk away, do something else, disconnect your sway bars, whatever you got to do, eat a sandwich, and it just deflates them all on their own, and then you just put them away and you're done. I want to show you what they look like. Here's one right here, small little thing. Right? It's got a zinc coating on it, so it's corrosion resistant. There's a little lock ring up on the top here. You want to make sure that you don't lose that, otherwise you can't keep these things calibrated. They'll shake themselves loose and they'll never be accurate. You got this little thing, you screw it onto your stem valve, and then you pull out the little metal piece, which I'll show you in a minute. And it just deflates it to whatever pressure you set these to. I've already made a video on how to calibrate these, so I'm not going to talk about that a whole lot today, on like exactly how these operate and how to set them. I'm just going to show how they work. So what we're going to do is I'm going to hook this up to my tires. I keep my tires at 30 psi, and these are set to bring them down to 15 psi. I'm just going to time it and see how long it takes to take it down to that. Okay, so it's real simple. So you just take this, you put it on the stem valve. Once it's on there, you'll pull this and it'll start deflating. What we're going to do, I don't know how well you can see my phone here. I'm going to try and block some of the sunlight. I'm going to go ahead and time it. So we'll go ahead and press start and pull that out. We'll see how long it takes. So this is going to be taking the tire from 30 psi to about 15 psi. Okay, there we go. Just finished up just a second ago. Took just under 5 minutes to completely deflate the tire from 30 psi to 15 psi. So just go ahead and take that off. And that's it. I mean, you do that to all 4 tires at the same time, and about 5 minutes later, all of your tires are deflated to your desired psi. I'll just check this real quick. That's all there is to it. So yeah, if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. Stick around for more.